regarding about the objectives and seasonal marketings. Now, I want to ask you about crafting your message. What are the key message or themes that will resonate with your customer or your audience? Yeah.
Yes, this is very relevant because when you have a good message, the message is to give benefit, to give information to your customers. This is not like a sales message to promote something. Because when you say, okay, hi, I am maybe this type of restaurant, I have this type of food A, food B, I want to sell it to you. This is the good
Mm.
opportunities for you to go and eat. This is not a really target message. This is like more than you have something you just want to push and to sell it to someone. So the good message is to provide information to give them benefit. So when you say, okay, I know that this is summer, so it's almost vacation, so you could go out with your family, with your friends to chill out. So thanks to this type of opportunities, we think that we can bring you more freshness thanks to our ice cream or our fresh coffee. So you just can, if you have time, just grab some coffee and you can feel better with energy. So you can go outside and find new place to discover. You see, some type of message is more friendly and it's not like pushy message.
Yes, that's right. It's not that really pushy because whenever I could also give that analogy that whenever I go to the mall, I would like to choose some any apparels. I don't want yeah, someone were going to approach me like, yeah, may I help you or
Yes,
these things like, wait, I'm just looking, I'm just roaming around
yes,
like that.
totally agree with this. Mm.
Yes, it's interesting. Okay, now let's go dig deeper with choosing marketing channels. Yeah. Which marketing channels will be the most effective this season? Season? Is it summer now in France?
I think that because now it start to get better, so most of the people will start to go outside to visit maybe Paris, to visit the cities, and to chill with friends. So for this type of marketing strategies, it is best to have not only physical strategies, but we can also focus on omnichannel strategies, which is like we have physical strategies such as okay, if you go to our stores for this week, you can have a discount, maybe this percent discount, or maybe we can have also online strategies, which is like, okay, we have this type of product, which is only available on our stores only. So it can create more interaction, and the people they can start to go and to say, okay, I see that this type of product is very interesting for me. I want to get information. So we can mix physical interaction and online
Mm.
interaction for summer.
Oh yes, that's right. It's one of the best thing that we can connect with our audience. Yeah, such as
Yes.
leveraging our social medias like emails, no, content marketing, paid advertisements using Meta. Yeah, these
Yes,
things.
that's it.
Okay, very good. Now, we'll talk about timing and scheduling. What is the optimal timing for your campaigns? Do you consider the time when are going to post? And yes, where people at home they can scrolling their phones, right? What do you think the
Yeah,
best
yeah.
time?
This is a good question, but I don't think I have the right answer. But for my
Yeah.
part, I think that
It depends on the
uh,
country.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
it's dependent also the country of the cultures. But most of
Mm-mm.
the time, when you try to make promotional campaigns, it's the best to make it maybe in the evening because in the evening,
Mm-mm.
people will go home and they are a little bit tired, so they just use their phone to scroll down and to see maybe some news or maybe to go directly on social media. And this is, I think, the right timings to push directly some message to say, okay, we have some events, special events starting next week, and it can target and it can help to reach more followers. This is one of the first
Mm.
things, and the second things is also Fridays, because I think that
Oh,
Friday
Friday.
is the right day because the when you go to home after Friday, so you will start to make plans for the weekend. So thanks to these promotional campaigns you have made, it can help the customers to say, oh, okay, I didn't know that this type of stores have some type of promotion. So tomorrow's, because I don't have work, so I can go directly to see to see the product. So this is the type of strategies the
Mm.
marketing teams try to set up for social media campaigns.
Oh, yes, that's right. I agree with that because most of the time when we are not that really busy, yeah, is always at night. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, around 4 to 5 p.m., right? Because you still have some time. Yeah.
yes,
When they're going to open their phone, it pop-ups your advertisement. I guess.
that's the rule. Yeah.
And now let's talk about budget and resources. Yes. And what is your budget for seasonal marketing? Yeah, just asking.
Mm,
Is it okay?
yeah, yes. Yeah, no worries. I think for if we are, it will depend on the type and the type of industry first. If we go about maybe commercial gatherings, the budget can be very high because if we talk about
Mm,
McDonald's, KFC, Burger Kings, so they will have maybe uh, 300 how can you say 50,000 euros, for instance, just to make
euros.
euros to make marketing strategies in France, for instance, in the
Mm,
national territories. And for the maybe the lux and luxury and fashion industry, the budget can be very higher because
mm,
they will also have the social media strategies, but they
mm,
will also have physical strategies such as the advertising you will see outside when you go in the commercial centers.
mm, mm,
So this type of budget is very high because they need to print the posters. They need to create
mm,
engagement with training time with all of these employees. So this
mm.
is very a big project.
Ah, that's really true. You
Yeah.
really have a budget for this marketing season. I guess
Yes.
beforehand, that's already into the business plan, right?
Yes, that's it.
Related to your marketing areas, because we have to invest so we can reap later. Yeah, some
Totally
sort
right.
of ROI or things. And last but not least is about the adaptability and also the flexibility for each seasons. Yeah.
Yeah,
How will you be remaining be flexible and adaptable during the seasons? I think that will be my question.
I think yeah for this one, what we can do is most of the time you see there's some elements such as Olympics games or maybe there are some sales or some sorry I just need to change. So yeah, I was saying that for instance in Paris now we have the Olympics games. So if you do some marketings related to Olympic games, you can target and reach higher audience. And for instance,
Mm.
if we go to maybe Christmas, so we can use this type of thematics to create strategies around Christmas and start to promote a new product related to this field. So it can be very relevant.
Oh, that's right. Okay. And oh my gosh, it's almost time. Yeah, then thank you so much for discussing about seasonal marketing. And
Thank you very much, Mary
that's a
Chris.
great discussion. Do you have something to tell?
So I would say that I hope you will like all your audience will like our discussion, and I will prepare news thematics which can be very interesting to for your followers to discover. So be stay tuned for the next project.
Yes. All right. So thank you so much, guys. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye, Mary Chris.